In this video, I'm going to show you how to buy Epic Games gift card. To get started, the first thing that you'll need to do is to open Epic Games on your device and sign in to your Epic Games account. Now in here, just go ahead and use the search bar at the top left of your screen and search for V-Bucks. So V-Bucks is an e-games money that you can use for your Fortnite games. So among the gift cards that you can buy on the platform are gift cards for Fortnite, which are V-Bucks. So as you can see in here, you can get 5,000 V-Bucks for just 1,713 pesos, which is much lower than other stores. So another way to buy Epic Games gift card is to head over to the Eneba website. So this website also offers gift cards and direct top-ups. So in here, just go ahead and head over to the gaming e-cards or e-gift cards. And in here, you'll be able to find all of the gaming gift cards. You can filter your search using the check boxes on your left. And you can also use the search bar to look for specific gaming currencies on the platform. So in here, you can find Epic Games gift card that you can use on the platform and on various games that you have on your device. And that's how you can simply buy Epic Games gift card. Thank you so much for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.